All right, guys, we're in here. Let's do this. Lots of really beautiful costumes. So there was actually a ceremonial entrance earlier on, but we were not able to film this. But now everyone was invited to join into the dance circle, basically the native dancers, but also the spectators that just came to the powwow. So we decided to join in and be close to the music, the dancing, the beautiful costumes. So you can see some of the dancers have numbers on them. That's because they're probably part of a dance competition that is going on here. Multiple categories, multiple prizes.